Hi everybody, I am back with another video, and today I'm gonna do a little spoken poetry. I usually write this down and share it to my WordPress blog site, but so I'm gonna try it here and see what you think. Well, I'm out getting me a little, what I call my little nature. I used to do my nature walk around this time, but this time I got my little lawn chair out. So I'm laying in my lawn chair, catching the sun a little bit when it passes the clouds because it's very cloudy. We had a full all day of raining yesterday, and I mean it rained all day. When I woke up 7:30 that morning, woke up 7:30 Saturday morning, it was raining, and it rained all day Saturday. Came rain all day yesterday. Came home last night late, around I guess around 9 o'clock, 9:30. It was still raining. It was really pouring. The yard was swimming. That yard was swimming with water. So I had my nice little boots on. So I just waded right through it like a child. But anyway, the breeze, it's very breezy, nice breeze, not too cold. It's a nice little breeze. As you can see, the trees, they're swinging back and forth a little bit. And the little thing, I always forget their name. Dragonflies. A dragonfly came by to visit me. I like dragonflies. They come in all different colors. The birds, they're singing. The roosters are crowing. I hear the rooster crowing. The neighbors next door having a very kind of loud conversation. But you hear the different birds. I don't know the name of the birds, but I think I hear 5 different bird calls. At least 5. I don't know my birds, but I hear the different bird calls. I guess they call them mating calls. See, the cloud is slowly moving. After that, 2 days of nonstop raining. 2 days of nonstop raining. Yes. Okay, I'm going to do a little quick, I guess, 4-line poetry. Just what I love to do. Oh, okay. The birds are singing. They're chirping here and there, all around me. I don't know my birds, but I know they are doing mating. They're mating calls. Ooh, look at this sun is out. Sun is from behind the cloud. See, it's shining so bright. It's so hot. Yes, it is. It's so hot. But this sun's supposed to be good for us. Supposed to be good for us. So I come out and get what they call that prana. Prana, which is they call it prana is the sunlight, spiritual light. I'm still researching and learning my spiritual things, my spiritual self. I'm still learning that. I got life path numbers, your birthday, I got all that down, understand that. And with my life path, number. I am 4 sevens. 4 sevens. I have 7 letters in my name. My year I was born adds up to 7. My birth date, month, day, and year adds up to 7. And I was born the 7th month. Wow. Ain't that something? I'm 4 sevens. I wonder what that means. I know 7 stands for perfection. In my research, I also found out 7 means I'm a spiritual teacher. Spiritual teacher. All my life, I like teaching. I just naturally, if I learn something, I go have a conversation with a person. And I literally always teaching somebody something, trying to teach somebody something. Oh, I learned this, I want to tell it. So I guess that's teaching because I'm always telling somebody something I think is interesting. I said, what do you think they might want to know? I know people that they don't want to know everything I know. And what else did I find out that 7 is? 7 is also the number for Archangel Raphael. So that's what that number 7 means. There's a lot of meanings. Oh, the sun is gone back in. Okay. You see how quickly I get sidetracked? I was doing a poem, and now I just went off into spiritual stuff. Okay. All right, this is my video for today. I'm just going to go inside because my phone has 10% battery life. So I need to go in and get it charged. I'll be back with another video. Bye.